first of all, we're learning today how many hundreds make up numbers to 1 million. The first thing we need to remember, when we have a number 3,247,126, when we are looking at hundreds, we need to be really aware of the hundreds column. How many hundreds there make up this whole entire number? This is the hundreds column. This tells me that there's 100. The next column over is the thousands column. It takes me 10 of these $100 hundreds to make up this 1,000. It takes me 10 of these to make up this. So when I make my hundreds, find out how many hundreds, I take from the hundreds column and I go with all those numbers ahead of it, because when I go 32,471 times 100, it equals 3,247,100. That tells me how many groups of 100 make up this number, and I've got a remainder of 26 because I'm not in a group of 100. So now let's look at another number. 472,971. First of all, we go to the hundreds column and we take the numbers ahead of it, because when we divide this number by 100, because that's what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to find out how many hundreds are in this, how many exact 100 pieces go into this. So I'm really dividing this number by 100. So 472,971 divided by 100, and I know when I divide a number by 100 it moves back 2 place values. So that is 4,729.71. When I'm giving my answer to how many hundreds are in the number, I only want the whole groups of 100. So my answer to how many hundreds would be 4,729. Let's have a look at another problem. 3,271 divided by 100, because I want to know how many hundreds are in the number. 3,000, I move back 2 place values, so it must be 32.71. How many hundreds? 32 groups of 100 make up 3,200. Because 32, so the answer is 32 hundreds, because 32 times 100 equals 3,200.